lovely viewers. Welcome to Variety TV. If this is your first time watching this channel, I'm glad you are here. My name is Nana Michael Smith, a presenter, a content creator, voiceover artist, entrepreneur, and a writer. Variety TV is your home of unrestricted knowledge. Here, I share with you my knowledge on trending news, interesting yet educating topics, and more. So I want you to stick with me to the end and let's learn together. So today, if you are a student entrepreneur or aspiring to become one, this video is for you. I want you to grab your pen, your paper, your notepad, and let's learn together on how to properly set a business as a university student without stress at all and succeed. And so let's get into it. So, first off, if you want to set a business properly as a university student and succeed without stress, one thing you should take note of is you should know yourself very well. As an individual, before you make any decision, you should know that you are interested in what you are doing, that you are ready to face the setbacks that comes with it. And so you have to know your abilities, your capabilities, your likes, dislikes. You have to know what you can do very best without stress at all. And so that is the same way the business is. You have to choose a business or venture into one that you are interested in, that one that you can do best without stress at all. And so, just as you choose your course to study based on your academic strength, the same way applies to business. I don't think you chose your course because of hearsay that they pay them well. And even if that is so, I know that you have within you that you'll be able to work hard towards it and match up to the academic expectations and achieve your goal. And so the same applies to business. In short, do not follow trends or what someone is doing. Just do you, be you, and you will, go far. The second one I would like to talk about is to observe your environment and understand its demands. Yes, you need to observe the environment and understand its demands in the sense that you need to find a good location for your business. And so, in finding a good location for your business, you observe your environment, where find a place that is so suitable for your business. And in understanding the environment too is understanding its demands. The people living in and around the environment, you understand their demands and rank it to the highest. And with this, I think you have to look into something that is an everyday thing. For example, living in a university community where workers, students, teachers are busy throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the trimester or semester, you have to look out for something like physiological needs. And that is the first need of, according to Abraham Maslow's theory of needs, that is a physiological need. So they are the food, water, shelter, clothing. So you have to look into all those things because they are everyday thing. So if you look into it and set up a business in it, you acquire more interest, you gain more profit from it. I'll use myself as an example. I rented a hostel that was new and situated in a new site. And so we had to walk long distance to buy some certain things because there are no shops around us. We need to walk long distance to even buy water. And so I decided that I would create a business out of this situation and also solve a problem. And so I decided to sell water. Water. Yes, bags of water. And so I called the water company, got some 30 bags for the start. Yes, and informed my housemates about it that I'm selling water. And they were happy. I supply it to them whenever they need it. They call me. I go and give it to them in their room at their comfort. So, okay, so yes, you need to observe your environment, and also understand its demands. I hope you understand this point. So we are moving to the next point, and the next point is getting your capital ready. And I know at this point, you have already looked into your interests, your capabilities, your environment. And so by this time, you have decided on what you are going to do, right? So the capital will depend on the business that you are going to do. Yes, the business that you decide to do. For example, if you want to be a makeup artist, you have to decide on the money you want to invest in. Some makeup artists started with buying just two pencils, black and brown shades, and mini boxes of everything, not necessarily the whole makeup set. Yes. So it depends on your strength, your financial strength. Yeah. And if you are a barber, if you want to trim hair, you get a portable um hair shaver. I don't know how you call it, men, but you get some and then you are good to go. You don't necessarily need a big shop. Like I said, I started a water business in my room. My room. I needed no shop for that. Okay. And so you need to what? Use an appreciable amount. Don't give yourself pressure. Don't go and use huge amounts and then maybe at the end it will not go well and then you'll be at loss. Okay, so that is it about getting your capital ready. I would go to the last point. Yes. And the last point is publicity and promotion of your business. Yes, you need to publicize your business, you need to promote it. And in publicizing your business is how to give out necessary information about your business. So you can look into making quality flyers, you can look into making posters, banners if necessary, writing even notes on sheets of paper, voiceover, and the rest. And in promoting it, you can look into social media advertisement, door-to-door announcement. You can talk to it about you can talk about your business to friends, make class announcements, church announcements, and all these are ways to what promote your business. I hope you've learned. Yes, I know you have learned, and I've learned as well. These are just small tips that I hope it helps you go a long way. Because if you have all these 4 points, you are good to go. And I promise you, your business is going to boom without stress at all. So, thank you for making time with me. Please click on the like button and then also subscribe. Share to others so that they will also learn. I mean, I hope you've learned. So, share to your friends, your colleagues, share to everybody, and see you next time on Variety TV. It's bye.